How to get a free phone number on TextNow. First of all, open the TextNow app on your device and start the sign up process. During sign up, you will be prompted to sign up using Google, Facebook or email. For this tutorial, I will use Google. Once you select Google, you may see a list of accounts on your device. Choose the Google account you want to use and tap Allow to give TextNow permissions to access it. After selecting your Google account, your TextNow account will be created immediately. Next, you will see the option to get a free phone number. You can choose either use my location or don't use location. If you choose don't use location, enter the area code manually. For example, if you want a number from New York, you can use area code like 212 or 716. Enter your preferred area code and tap continue. TextNow will then generate a list of available numbers. Choose a free number from the list and tap continue to confirm. You may be asked to press and hold the button to confirm that you are not a robot. Once verified, your TextNow account and phone number will be ready to use. Now you know how to get a free phone number on TextNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.